Zooming into the Gauteng Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, which is stepping up efforts to empower young people in the agricultural sector, the department says that equipping youth with skills, knowledge and tools is key to growing a future-ready industry. MEC Vuyiswa Ramkgopa adds that partnership with stakeholders will continue to transform lives with big plans lined up for next year to expand opportunities for the youth and communities.
Isebe lezolimo nophuhliso lwamaphandle eRhawutini lithi ligxile ekutyaleni kumaphulo akhuthaza abantu abatsha ukuba bazibandakanye kwezolimo njengenxalenye yokulwa nezinga eliphezulu lwentswela-ngqesho kunye nokukhulisa uqoqosho lweli oluqhwalelayo.
And we want to see more young people bangena agriculture and actually being skilled practitioners in the agricultural sector. But lento iqala ekhaya. I can speak for myself. Mina ngakhulela la edropini. I didn't even know ukuthi an onion iphuma phi, cabbage itshalwa kanjani. I only started seeing these things when I got older, you know. But we have to make sure that young people have that consciousness so that they can also grow and become interested in the sector. They don't have exposure to agriculture, and sometimes bayithatha as if it's a very low kind of career. Bafuna ukuba ama-accountant, bafuna ukuba yonke into nje enkulu. Abayiboni as a career. It becomes like a fallback plan. So Tina, focus here to most of the year was also trying to inspire young people ukuthi bangene ku-agriculture, bayibone as a very lucrative key industry. And vele it is a key industry.
Umphathiswa wezolimo nophuhliso lwamaphandle eRhawutini uVuyiswa Ramkgopa ubuye wajonga kuhambo lwabo ukukhulisa izolimo kwiphondo ukuquka neentlelo abanazo zonyaka ozayo.
This has been a very busy year, and you've said, kade sihambi Gauteng, saya kuma smallholder, big farmers, agro-processors. We've run many programs in different communities. We declared at the beginning of the year, our number one priority is to end hunger. Number one priority is to end hunger. And sizoyenza kanjani? One by one. Each household, each farmer in Gauteng has a role to play. We don't have to wait until we get land, until we get all kinds of other things. Siyazi ukuthi Gauteng vele akunamhlaba. And even the land that is available, it's not a lot, you know? So we have to come up with some kind of innovation. Yoguti, sikwazi ukwenza agriculture in Gauteng. We've spent the year doing our research, working with different communities. Sisebenza nama farmer, big and small. Sisebenza nama agro-processor, big and small. And we are continuing to do the work.
Umphathiswa udlulise umyalezo kubantu abatsha ukuba babe nomoya olangazelela ukufunda izinto ezintsha ngalo lonke ixesha kwaye bangajongi nje kuphela kumathuba wengqesho kodwa bazakhele nawabo amashishini. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eBramfisher.